All right, now let's talk about a project charter. A project charter is a document issued by the project initiator or sponsor that formally authorizes the existence of the project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. All right. So that's what the project charter is, and it's very important, especially in predictive or waterfall world. Let me ask you a simple question, right? I want someone to answer this simple question. What's created first, the project charter or the project execution plan, also known as PEP, project execution plan? What's created first in project manager's world, the project charter or the project execution plan? Can someone tell me? Exactly, exactly. Thank you, John. Thank you, Deepsia. Thank you, Patrick. Yes, the charter takes priority. The charter is always created prior to all the other planning, all the other documents, especially the planning documents, right? The PAP and everything. First of all, the project charter. That's your cornerstone. That's the beginning of your beginnings. All right, good. The project vision statement. The project vision statement. This document is a concise, high-level description of the project that states the purpose and inspires the project team to contribute to the project. All right. The next term here is the roadmap. The roadmap provides a high-level timeline that depicts milestones, significant events, reviews, and decision points, right? And let me ask you one more question, right? I just wanna see your progress, right? So we spoke previously about WBS, right, which is work breakdown structure, right? Work breakdown structure, right? And work breakdown structure means we break up our scope, right, into small elements, of sorts. Question: would we need to reflect those elements from WBS, from the work breakdown structure? Would we need to reflect those elements in the roadmap? Binary, yes or no? Tristan says no. So who else has an opinion, right? Work breakdown structure. In the work breakdown structure, I have a lot of elements, right? Such as, add a wheel to a bicycle, add a gear to a bicycle, add a sign to a bicycle, add a light to a bicycle. So those elements, do we need to reflect them in the roadmap? Let me know what you think. I want to be on the same page with you. That's my objective. So Tristan says no. And John says no, roadmap is a high-level artifact. And Deepsy says no. All right, John, your answer is absolutely correct, right? Roadmap is a high-level artifact. And I love the fact that you use the word artifact, right? And nothing else, right? That's very good. Yes, in the roadmap, we only reflect the high-level timeline, right? Which might be initiate the project, create a PMP, right? Plan the project, identify your stakeholders, but we wouldn't go as deep as reviewing individual elements of the work breakdown structure, right? The roadmap is the roadmap, right? It's not supposed to include every single detail, right? Um, all right, great. I'm very much excited and inspired that everybody got it right. That's good.